Abantu bakulelizwe bathi obekushiwo umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa izolo kuyafana nabe kusho kule minyaka edlule selokhu angena kwesokwengamela iNingizimu Afrika.
Swazula amaphuzu akhe awabekile kodwa inkinga uhlala wabeka njalo iminyaka ngeminyaka kodwa asubona umehluko.
No, I don't see any different. It has been 30 years promising one thing. Our children from school, from university don't get jobs.
Neqembu EFF lithi akukho okusha obekushiwo umengameli izolo.
There is no accountability, none whatsoever. He uses this platform to just come and waffle. He says he's going to create jobs, but he doesn't tell us where and how.
Iqembu MK Party lithi lelizwe alikakeze ukuyibona intuthuko.
This is not a government of national unity. It doesn't serve the marginalized interest, and effectively 25% of the people are not represented in that speech.
Kodwa ke amanye amaqembu ombusazwe ayemukele inkulumo kaMengameli.
I thought it was a good speech. This is part one of the policy making process. The next part 2, is going to be the tabling of the budget, because anything the president says that is unfunded is not going to happen because everything needs money.
We are very happy because the president have presented the medium-term development plan to South Africa, which is very practical. No slogans, no phrases, just straight to the point on a number of issues.
Odabeni lomshwalense wezempilo iNHI inyunyana yezisebenzi zikahulumeni inehawu ithi umengameli wehlulekile ukucacisa ngokuqala kokusebenza kwalomshwalense.
We would have expected a clear directive to the minister to promulgate this act so that it can be operationalized, because it's one thing to sign a bill into law, it's another thing to promulgate it. We would have expected a time frame in which you remember that we had hoped that 2025 is the year in which we're going to start to implement national health insurance.
Amaqembu ombusazwe azophawula ngalenkulumo ngolwesibili nangolwesithathu ebese umengameli ephendula ngolwesine.